Razer Black Widow. Yo, what's good YouTube? So we just got a Razer keyboard, Black Widow V3 mechanical gaming keyboard. It was on sale for, I guess, how much was this? So I don't really play games, but I got it because it looked cool. So let's unbox this and check it out. Alright, so let's cut this. Check it out. It looks smooth. Alright, so we got a wire here. Alright, maybe I should read the manual. Okay, this is just a thank you letter. For gamers, by gamers. Okay, this doesn't tell you how to take it out of the box. So let's try it out. Let's try again. Maybe I could just shake it out like this. Nope, it doesn't come out. Wait, maybe I am supposed to open this latch here. And then, yep, finally got it out. Cool, so this is what it looks like. Damn, it looks so fancy. Let's hear the clicks. Oh yes, that's what I like to hear. Cool, it also comes with this mat. Never mind, it's not even a mat. Kind of matte, but not really soft. More like some plastic thing. So I guess you just put this right in front of the keyboard. And yeah, that's basically the keyboard. Alright, cool. So let's plug this USB in and try it out. Unplug it. Let's plug it into my laptop. Wow, look at the color. This is beautiful. Oh, I love the sound. So good. Now I could type at least 20 times faster. Very nice keyboard. Sounds very good. Like it. 10 out of 10. Alright, so let's take the speed test. So let's start the test. Let's see how fast I can type in medium. Let's take a 1 minute test.
Alright, let's try this. So, we're doing Razer as a project in a London prison where he opened up a business and teaches inmates how to bake. This gave the inmates the work experience they need when they finish their sentences. Sentences. A homeless man once found a check for a large sum of money. Instead of claiming it, he tracked down the recipient, who then offered him a job.
Later, oh, okay. How did I do? So, I got a 69 net speed. Not bad, I'd say. What does that even mean? Is that good? 100%, 0 typos, so I guess that's good. Oh, so I have 69 words per minute, so I think that's decent. Let's try a hard test and see how this goes.
Never in 1,000 or when did Sarah think that her mischievous little brother would have their father's personal memento. This person should be very disappointed if he lost it. My brother went to a secret party and had a very strange experience where, according to him, all the kids were definitely disciplined. We found a way they conducted themselves very humorous.
The Olympics. Okay, well, I got 78 word per minute now, which is even better. Well, I guess this keyboard really made me type faster. And I definitely like the clicking sounds, so I definitely recommend you get a gaming keyboard if you like the clicking sounds. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these videos, please let me know. I recorded this for fun, just trying out my new camera as well. Hopefully the quality is a lot better now. Anyways, see you guys next time.